So you just downloaded Phantom, or you're already on Phantom and you're looking to get started in the Sui ecosystem? Well, in this video, I'll be going over the entire Sui ecosystem to get you plugged in and be part of the Sui Nami. So the very first step is you have to update your app if it's on iOS or on Android, update the Phantom app, and then from there you're able to enable the Sui beta testing, which lets you have Sui on Phantom and also other chains. Okay, so the first thing you obviously want to do is open Phantom. Once you have Phantom open, you'll be wanting to go to the right hand side, which is basically your Explore page. And this is where we get started in the whole Sui ecosystem. So you're probably wondering, what do I use as a Explorer? Well, that is going to come down to Sui Vision. They have a very simple UI and they make it very easy to find anything. So let's jump in. Okay, so once you have typed in Sui Vision, it'll be coming up with the price at the very top. So at the time of recording this video, Sui's price is at $3.88. And then from there, it'll show you just so much more information. So if we scroll down, it'll also show the max supply. So 10 bill is for Sui and how much is being staked right now, how many validators Sui has, how many daily active accounts. This is going to skyrocket because of now the integration with Phantom. A lot of people are looking to get started in the Sui ecosystem, so this is a win-win for both ecosystems. Then you're able to see the daily transaction blocks, which are crazy. You're able to see even down like where the activity is happening on Sui. So we have Birds, Wave, Sui, CS Protocol, Fan TV, 7K aggregator. There's so much you can do, and you can actually type in addresses. It will show you a little bit more about what the wallets look like. So just like how you're able to basically secure your username with Phantom, they're doing the same thing on Sui already with a Sui NS, which I'll show you how to get later in this video. So what you're able to do is, instead of putting in those clunky long addresses, you're able to put in, for example, at Trevin's Buying Wallet, and from here you're able to see what the interface looks like coming from Sui Vision. So we'll click on Trevin's Buying Wallet and it will show me what is in the whole portfolio. So if we scroll down, it'll start to show you what is verified and what's unverified. The nice thing is there is a kind of long process to be verified on Sui Vision. So it basically helps more on the trust side to know that's just not a random coin, but this project has been around and they put in the effort to fill out the application, talk with Sui Vision, and get them verified. Obviously not financial advice. Always be careful with what you're investing in, but it's super nice to have the verify. So we have Sui, Octo, Deep, Tardy, Lofi, Beej, Axel. There's a lot, NS for example. There's so much you're able to see, and this is my favorite part, is it will actually show you what you're using on DeFi already. So right now I have $293 on Swinlend, which is a DeFi platform, which we'll also be talking about in this video. So, and you're able to see Navi, AlphaFi is another one, for example. You have Turbos, which is another one. UniHouse, which is another one. There's just so much that Sui Vision offers. It's an all-in-one explorer. So if you're wondering, where the heck did I stake this Sui, or where did I basically do a combo of a liquidity pool? Well, Sui Vision will show you. Okay, and the next big one is going to be a Sui NS, or basically your @ So just like I said before, instead of putting in a long address, which you might mistake or not copyright, you can basically put in your @. So @Trevin versus NFT, @whatever you want, @Pineapple Mike. Then you're able to basically purchase it through Sui NS or Sui domains. So all you have to do is you hit search and you figure out which NS you want. And then from there, you're able to hit the search icon and I'll show you if that is available or not. And then from there, you're able to purchase. All you have to do is go in the top right-hand corner, hit connect wallet, and the process should take under 30 seconds to get your Sui domain and have it forever and ever. And well, okay, not technically not forever, but for the first year, then you're able to upgrade it every year. So that is something to look into. So a lot of people are probably watching this from Solana. So if you are using Jupiter, my favorite swap right now is actually 7K. So if you go to 7k.ag, this is the site I basically use for all swapping needs. So all I have to do obviously is hit connect the wallet, and then from there you're able to swap into anything that your heart desires. And if you're looking for a wonderful aggregator on Sui, I would say more along the lines of Jupiter. 7k is still tremendous. Aftermath is so good. So if you type in aftermath.finance, you're able to go to their page. And something cool is they take 0% fees, and they actually show you the best swapping areas. So when you put it in, it'll go to like 7k, FlowX, Hop, or other aggregators, but it'll find the best price for you. And that's really cool to see. And their swapping is super fast. Also, if you guys are new to Sui, which is probably why you're watching this video, we have something called Mississippi. And what that is it basically made Sui supercharged and turboed to the extreme. So a swap on average will be 0.4 seconds, which is insanely fast. We have one of the lowest latencies. So if you're on Sui, you'll probably like the speed a lot, and you'll probably blink and your swap will be completed in milliseconds. And if you're looking to get started on the DeFi side, I highly recommend looking into SuiLend. They actually had SolLend, so probably people have already heard about them. They're one of the simplest apps to use. The UI is very clean, and it basically shows you what you're able to do. So Sui, USDC, Send, Deep, NS, Buck, and more. There's so much you can explore with SuiLend. I just want to give you guys a taste of what to look for, and always do your own research and figure out which application you enjoy the most. On this channel, I'll continue to be putting out educational content to show you guys the best apps on Sui. And for all those NFT lovers out there, I do highly suggest looking into Tradeport or tradeport.xyz. This is where all the fun NFTs live, and we're still a very young NFT community. I actually do have my own project called Unchained. We are a Wild Wild West Web3 inspired collection that's pixelated. We also do have a gachapon or a gacha. So we're actually able to have daily rewards for our holders. We're trying to bring the fun back into NFTs. So definitely go check us out. But I highly recommend looking at Tradeport, where you're able to see amazing collections like Kumo, Prime Machine. We have Double Up, Cosmicadia, Panzer Dogs. There's so many cool collections that are still very small in communities, but the NFT communities on Sui are very tight-knit together, and for the most part, you'll just have a wonderful time. It does remind me of the early Solana days, way back in 2021. And for all those meme coin lovers, I know a lot of you probably use Bird's Eye or Deck Screener. You can still use those, but if you want something native on Sui, Instadex is a wonderful platform where you're able to see what is popping, was popular up and comers, more actual data on these meme coins. And it's a great platform to really immerse yourself and see how easy trading meme coins can be on Sui. Not financial advice. I cannot promote any meme coins, but I know you guys will have fun on the Sui ecosystem no matter what. So if you are also looking to basically create your own meme coin, Move Pump, Turbos, 7k, Double Up, they all have launch pads, so you're able to launch a meme coin and basically make it open market. So I did create a full video on how to create a meme coin on Turbos, but I might make more in the future for different platforms to show you the pros and the cons. My favorite one at the time is going to be 7k. They have a restriction, so you're able to hold the funds for a very long time. So the dev can't fully rug you instantly, but also not financial advice. Always be careful in meme coins, no matter who is launching it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this long video going over the whole Sui ecosystem, but I just wanted to show you how much has already been built, and we're not even 2 years old yet. There is a wonderful event in Dubai, May 1st and 2nd, called Sui Basecamp, which will be insane. A lot of alpha will be dropping. It's basically like the Solana conference, but for Sui. So if you're interested in Sui, we would love to have you. We welcome you with open arms, and don't worry, because I will see you in Web3.